A magnetic stirrer can significantly speed dissolution of metals in aqua-regia solutions. Unfortunately, debris, and the metal itself, interferes with the movement of the stir bar, making the use of a magnetic stirrer impractical. Now however, the Spinbar cage makes the impractical practical. This clever design provides both maximum strength and minimum resistance to fluid movement. Because adhesives break down in corrosive solutions, this unit is a snap-together design, fully assembled and ready for use. The glass mirror provides a smooth flat surface for the spin bar. The retaining ring secures the mirror in place, as well as positioning the spin bar with a minimum of fluid resistance. The Spinbar Cage Assembly comes complete with a 1-inch PTFE coated spin bar,